Same company account, same hotel card, hotel admin panel. Last time we set price and time, today the people. Under users, two groups live side by side. Hotel staff is the hotel's own team. Hotel manager, housekeeping manager, supervisor, front office. The hotel manages this same list from its operations panel too. But someone has to be first. Invite one housekeeping manager from here and they can bring in the rest of the hotel roles themselves. Or, if you already know everyone, invite them all right now. 2 ways to invite. By email, they get a link. Or by code, you hand a code or a QR to the person standing next to you. Pick the roles. One person can hold more than one. Housekeeping manager for now. The invitation goes out in the hotel's language or any language you choose. Then, create. Here is the code, the QR, and a one-time link. Whoever receives it signs in on the web or on the phone, enters the code, and their onboarding is done. Single use. It expires on its own. Every invitation you send lives under invitations. Pending, accepted, expired, revoked. Lost the code? Generate a new one here. Sent it to the wrong person? Revoke it. The old code stops working immediately. The second group is your own people, service attendants, inspectors, team leaders. This list is managed only from here. You need at least one team leader per hotel. By default, hotel roles follow the day. The team leader is the one who hands out the tasks. A hotel can have more than one team leader, one for 3 days of the week, another for the other 4. Once a team leader is in, they can invite the rest of the team from their own phone. Or you do it here. Inviting one of your own works the same way, email or code. One role this time, team leader. And the language they will read the app in. Create, and the code is ready to hand over. Hourly pay has 3 layers. The company default, a hotel override if you set one, and last, the person. A team leader who earns more, a new starter on a different rate. Set it here, one person at a time. 16 an hour from today. Save. Everyone else stays on the default. At month end, filter down to only the people with a custom rate and check them in one glance. Roles is the map. What each role does, where they sign in, web or mobile, and who holds it right now. Open a role to see the people. From here you can only remove someone from a role. Adding always goes through an invitation. We leave everyone where they are. Hotel staff and your own team both invited from one place. By email or by a code they type into the app. One team leader is enough to start. The rest can grow from there. The weekly plan and the hotel-specific settings are next. Try it with a free trial. ARPCLEAN.com